Okay, so in this video, we're going to discuss the factorization by groupings. Okay, so we have four questions here that can show us how to solve problems in terms of factorization by groupings. Okay, so the instruction here is factor each expression. Okay, so in number one, we have here 3a squared minus 2ab plus 2a minus 4b. Again, 3a squared minus 6ab plus 2a minus 4b. So the first thing we need to do here is check the possible common factor of each terms. So as you can see, we can have 3a squared and the 2a has a common factor a. So we can combine them, or we can group them into one place. Okay, so we have 3a squared and the positive or plus 2a. Also, the negative 6ab and negative 4b also has a common factor. So we can write here negative 6ab and negative 4b. So again here we have 3a squared and 2a. Okay? So we're going to check the factor of these two terms. We have 3 times a as a factor of 3a squared. In 2a naman, we have 2 times a. Okay? So from that, we can now identify the common factor. We have a. So what should we do? We're going to isolate it. Okay? So here we're going to write 3a plus 3a plus 2. So where did it came from? 3a, 3a. And 2 naman here comes from here. So where did the a or the common factor a go? So dito siya sa labas. Okay, we can have here a. Okay ba? So dito naman sa other side, we have negative 6ab and we have negative 4b. So what should we do? We should factor these terms. So negative 6 is actually negative 2 times 3 times a times b. Here naman we have negative 2 times 2 times b. So what's the factor of these two terms? We have here negative 2 and the b. Okay? So of course we're going to isolate it again. So we'll put here plus. Here we have 3a. So 3a. We have here 2. So plus 2. Then isolate the common factor. We have negative 2b. Of course, if you write it here like that po, you need to use parentheses. Why? Because that indicates that this negative 2b is the common factor of this 3a part and the 2. Okay pa? Because if you don't put parentheses, it will serve as minus 2b, which is a different scenario or different process. Okay? Or in this case, this will be marked as wrong if you don't put the parentheses. So now, since we have a common binomial here, the 3a plus 2 and 3a plus 2, we can now copy this as one term or as one part of the factor. 3a plus 2. Then we can now combine the common factors of these terms. So we have a and negative 2b. So we're going to put a minus 2b. So ito yung tsura niya. This will be your final answer because you actually just factor it by groupings. So let's go with the next question. We have here number 2. Okay, this number 2 is quite tricky. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 2s squared minus 6st plus 5st minus 15t squared. So as you can see, these two terms are like terms, but we're not going to combine them. Kasi if you do, then you won't be able to factor this question. So we just let it be lang po dyan, okay? So let's check what are the terms that has a common factor that can be used. So as you can see po, these two terms in front and two terms here at the back. So let's write it again. 2s squared minus minus 6 pala. 6st plus 5st minus 15t squared. So How can we solve this? So let's go first with this first part. We have here 2s squared and negative 6st. Okay? St. Okay? So let's check what are the factors. Here we have 2 times s, right? Here naman we have negative 3 times 2 times s times t, right? Because negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, okay? So what will be the common term here? We have here the 2 tapos the s, okay? So what should we do next? We should what? Again, gaya nung sa number 1, just simply group. So here we have the s, and sa baba naman we have negative 3t. So what happened to the common term? The common factor, we're going to put it outside. That's the 2s. Okay? So what's next? Here the other side naman, 5st and negative 15t squared. So sa 5st we have here 5 times s times t. On the other hand naman, in negative 15t squared, we have negative 3 times 5 times t times t, right? So technically, the common factor here is 5 and the t. Okay? So right now again, we use plus times s minus 3t, then multiply by 5t. Of course, here you can use or not use the parenthesis. Okay, kasi positive naman siya. That's easy to understand naman. So since these are the common, these are the same naman, so just put it na lang as 1. S minus 3t. Then combine the terms na nasa labas. We have here 2s plus, because this is positive, 5t. Okay? So that will serve as your final answer. Okay? Let's go with number 3. Number 3 is quite big in terms of the number because it's 15, 9, 35, and 21. So here we have 15xy squared minus 9y squared z minus 35xy plus 21yz. So what's the first thing we need to do? Of course, group them. So as you can see here, xy, xy, yz, yz. So just simply group them up. 15xy squared minus 35xy and minus 9y squared z plus 21yz. Okay, so what's next? Of course, we're going to get the common factor. We have here 15xy squared and negative 35xy. So what will be the factor of these things? Okay, so 15 is actually what? 3 times 5 times x times y, right? Here naman we have negative 7 times 5 times x times y. Okay ba? So the common factor here is y, x, and 5. Okay? So let's put it in. Here we have 3y. Let's parenthesis pa. Then minus 7. Kasi 7 na lang natira dito, or negative 7. Then sa labas, we're going to write 5xy. Okay? That's it. Next. The other side naman, negative 9y squared z and 21yz. So let's factor them out. This will become negative 3 times 3. Right? Times y times z. Here naman we have 3 times 7. Kasi 21 siya, di ba? So times y times z. So common factor here, we have z. We have y. And we have 3. Okay? So let's put it here. Let's use the plus. Okay? Sign. So here matitira negative 3y. We have negative 3y. Then here we have 7. So plus 7. Okay? Then we put here the what? 3yz. Okay? So as you can see here po, this binomial and the other side naman, or the other part, are not equal because this is positive, negative, negative, positive. So the best option there is multiply this by negative 1 or remove the negative here. So what we're going to happen is this will be the part where we can put the negative outside the parenthesis. So that's 3y minus 7 times 5xy. Then here we're going to put the negative outside. So this becomes negative 3y. Of course, since nag-negative siya, negative times positive, negative. Negative times negative becomes positive. So rather than putting plus 7, we're going to write minus 7. Okay? Because if we multiply negative by positive, becomes negative. Negative times negative, positive. Got it? Okay, so from that, we can have here 3yz. So we can use another parenthesis para maganda siya tingnan. So since these are the same na, we can just simply copy it. 3y minus z multiply by 5xy plus, because this is positive, 3yz. So that's your answer in this part. See? It's easy lang naman baga. Last but not the least is number 4. In number 4, we have 6m squared minus 14n squared x, 6m squared x minus 14n squared x minus 9m squared y plus 21n squared y. So as you can see here, ito may mx, my. Or pwede din namang let's just use this na lang because they have both x. Here both may y. So let's try this one. Yeah, it's fine. So 6m squared x minus 14 nx or n squared x pala minus 9m squared y plus 21 n squared y. Okay? So what's the option here? Let's see. 6m squared x and negative 14 n squared x. So 6 is actually 2 times 3 times m times m times x. Here we have the negative 2 times 7 times n times x. So pwede din namang siya. Since we have both 2 here, let's use na lang 2 times negative 7. Okay? So para at least we can remove the 2 or use 2 as a common factor. So 2 tapos x. Right? So let's write it here. This becomes what? Yan siya. So that's 3m squared kasi dalawang m. Then minus kasi negative to. Negative 7 n squared. Okay pa? So after nyan, we can write na the common factor which is 2x. Then other side naman, we have negative 9 m squared y and 21 n squared y. So here we have negative 9. So we can put negative 3 times 3 times m times y. Here we can write 3 times 7, right? Times n times y. Okay? So we can have here the common factor 3 and the y part. Okay? So we're going to write here plus what? We have negative 3m squared, and sa baba we can have the positive 7n squared. The common factor is 3y. Okay? So let's just put line here para di kayo malito. Okay? So what's next? Since again, nag-negative 3m siya, and this one is positive 7 compared to that side. Opposite siya in terms of sign. So we're going to do it again yung ginawa na sa number 3. This will become 3m squared minus 7n squared times 2x. Then here, we're going to put the negative outside. So magiging siyang minus, then 3m squared. Why? Because negative times positive, negative. Then from plus becomes minus 7n squared. Because negative times negative, positive, which is this plus. Okay? So times 3y. So what's next? We're going to combine na these two binomial because they're the same naman na. We have here 3m squared minus 7n squared, which is the same as here. Then combine na the monomial na nasa labas. We have here 2x minus 3y. Okay? So, by the way, dito pala sa number 3, I just noticed lang, just to clarify, this is negative. Okay? Because 5xy, tapos here 3xy, may negative siya. So, this should be negative. Okay pa? Clarify ko lang. Here, we have the 2x minus 3y. So, that's your final answer. Okay? Ganun lang naman pag nag-factoring by grouping. Okay pa? So, madali lang naman siya. Ayan lang yung sagot. We have 4 example. Thank you.